Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a beautiful pant design making. I have already cut my pant in a regular way. Now we will mark 2-inch gap for the folding from the bottom part, and now we will take 8-inch length for the design and mark it. Now we will take a strip for the design. Its length would be 12-inch and width would be 3.5. The design will make on the outer side of the pant. We have to attach this strip on the bottom and front part, both sides. For the stitching, we will take the wrong side of the fabric and the wrong side of the strip and start the stitch. We have to leave only quarter-inch margin over here and make a straight stitch. Now fold the fabric to the right side. Make a single fold and then take a double fold and just sew on the stitch we have already done. Adjust it here. You can adjust with the pins and iron. Now press it and make a stitch on the same stitch we have already done. Make a stitch on the edge of the strip. Make sure the strip width would not be exceeded than 1 inch. Make a clean stitch over here for the finishing. We have to complete the rest part like this. Now this strip stitch is complete. For the rest 3 we will do the same. Now we will take the pants front and back part and overlap it and make a stitch over here from the 8-inch mark we have already done. Now start a stitch. We have to leave the 1.2 inch margin over here from the side. Lock the stitch here and make a straight stitch till the end. If you want to join the zip or pocket, you have to did it first and then make the design. Make a straight stitch over here till the end and lock your stitch here at the end of the pant. Now it's completed. Trim the extra thread. It would be look like this. It's our back part and this is our front part. The back side strip would be straight and front we have to fold the front side strip. Now settle over here in a proper way. It would be look like this. It's our front part and its back part. Now we have to make a stitch to fix it here. First of all, we have to mark it over here. Where we have to make a stitch. Mark it first. And then start the stitch. Straight both the parts, straight it in a proper way and then lock the stitch. Here stitch length would be only 1 inch till the strip. Lock it here. Now remove the backside part and make the stitch on the strip's edge and complete it. Trim the extra thread and it would be look like this. You can extend the width according to your choice. Now we will make the holes on the front part and put the buttons on the back side. But from all of this, we have to fix the bottom part and cut the extra margin. Make a stitch on the bottom part. Fold the fabric and stitch it. And lock the stitch at the end. Now our design is completed and there are the holes we have done on the front side, and on the back side we have put the buttons over here. The holes width and length depend upon your buttons because my buttons are small, so if you want a big buttons then you have to make the big holes. The finishing of this pant would be look like this. So guys, it's a complete look of the design. It's a very easy and beautiful design. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply your questions. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. Thanks a lot.